For over 25 years, this logo has represented JSSI, a symbol recognized by customers, trusted by partners, and worn with pride by our team. It's been part of countless stories and helped shape our identity. As we look ahead, we're building on the foundation, honoring what's made us who we are, while making space for what's next.
Over the past decade, JSSI has transformed. What started with maintenance programs has grown into a full-service ecosystem supporting every stage of aircraft ownership. It's time our brand reflects that evolution, who we are today, and the vision we're driving forward. The moment has come. JSSI is rebranding.
Our goal was clear: to modernize our brand. So, how do we do that? We began by simplifying the logo, creating breathing room, and focusing on what matters most: the JSSI tail. Next, we refined and thickened the central icon, adding space where needed to strengthen its presence and legibility across all sizes and screens. Finally, font selection makes a big impact. We chose a modern sans serif font you may recognize. It's been part of our business unit logos and body copy for years, making it a natural fit. And now, the next evolution of our identity. Every detail refined, every element rebalanced. This is our new logo.
And as the brand evolves, so do our capabilities. Here's the new structure showcasing our suite of solutions: maintenance programs, Traxxall, parts and engines, Conklin, and Aviation Capital. Come see the brand in action on our new website at jetsupport.com. Proudly and uniquely independent, we are JSSI.